I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real.
What's up, everybody? Today we are gonna talk about a rugged smartphone. But this isn't just another rugged smartphone. The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is a full-blown survival machine with specs to match, massive battery, night vision, a projector. Yeah, the list goes on and on. Okay, you already know that today we are gonna talk about this Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. And before I start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Now, let's get into what makes this beast unstoppable.
Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now? Okay, now hold up.
The first thing I would like to talk about is this massive camping light. The 1100 lumen camping light isn't just a flashlight. It's a full-scale work light. Bright, powerful, and wide-reaching. It's great for outdoor setups or emergencies. It also features warning light modes in red, blue, and red-blue flashes for high visibility signaling. But that's not the only important tool that it packs. The Armor 34 Pro's built-in projector turns any flat surface into a display. It offers 854 by 480 resolution, 150 lumens brightness, and supports projecting screen sizes between 30 and 100 inches. Perfect for sharing content, reviewing plans, or watching media outdoors. Features like autofocus and plus-minus 40-degree vertical keystone correction keep the picture crisp and square. Throw distance ranges from 34 to 114 inches, so it's flexible in tight or wide space. Okay, this isn't a gimmick. It's a serious tool with real utility. Personally, I've been enjoying the performance of this projector. Now I don't have to carry a big projector along with me. I just carry the phone. And that's it. I am carrying a camping light and a projector. Now that the extras are out of the way, let's look at the phone's raw physical build.
Yeah, we've been playing stupid games. The situation.
Built like a brick but engineered like a tool. The Armor 34 Pro is IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H certified. It's watertight, drop tested, and built to take abuse. Thick bumpers, reinforced corners, and a toughened frame make it feel indestructible. It also features the USmart Expansion Connector 2.0, which supports plug-and-play accessories like endoscopes, turning the phone into a modular work device. This rugged shell houses more than muscle, it carries serious capability. Now it's time to talk about DCGB, display, camera, gaming, and battery. The 6.95-inch FHD Plus display pushes 1080 by 2460 resolution with impressive clarity. Brightness levels are high enough for direct sunlight, perfect for field use or navigation. It's big, bold, and easy to view, whether reading blueprints or watching content. It's not just good for viewing, it pairs with internals built to perform under pressure. Okay, this phone doesn't play around. It includes a 50 megapixel OV50H main sensor for sharp everyday shots, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide for landscapes, and a wild 64 megapixel night vision camera that sees clearly in pitch black, and a 32 megapixel front cam for selfies and video calls.
Yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? Cause I keep trying to figure it out.
Focus is quick, colors punchy, and low light clarity is unmatched.
I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now?
What about videography? I'll let you enjoy a 30-second video clip. Let me know in the comment section whether you like the performance or not.
We've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated, how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong.
After the camera performance, let's check the real performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, the Armor 34 Pro balances speed and efficiency. It packs 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and an extra 16GB virtual RAM, making it a multitasking tank. Storage includes 512GB UFS 3.1, which is expandable to 2TB, so nothing needs to be deleted. Games like NFS No Limit and Real Racing 3 run smooth with stable frame rates and fast loading. That horsepower supports more than applications. It is also very much energy efficient. Talking about energy efficiency, say goodbye to low battery anxiety. The 25,500 mAh battery is borderline absurd, and that's a good thing. Okay, did I say 25,500 mAh? Yeah, I did. It comes with a 25,500 mAh battery. Massive, ludicrous, absurd. Yeah, I think I have already used the word absurd already. Well, okay. It runs for multiple days even with heavy use. Charging is fast too, thanks to 66-watt wired charging. It can even charge other devices using 10-watt reverse charging. With power like this, everything from tools to entertainment becomes viable, especially when paired with smooth, reliable software. Running clean on Android 15, the phone stays light, fast and responsive. No bloat, just what's needed. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor works fast and Face Unlock adds convenience. I would say it's a software experience that matches the power and purpose of the hardware, pulling everything together into one purpose-built package. Yeah, the Armor 34 Pro isn't sleek. It's strong, smart, and made for extremes. From job sites to wild terrain, it doesn't flinch. With power, performance, and features few phones dare attempt, it's built to thrive, not just survive. For those who need more than a phone, this is the answer. So, do you need something like this? I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Okay, now hold up. Let me get something right off my chest. I've been meaning to read into it, time to put it to rest. Is it stress? Is it that I ain't answer your text? Don't you treat it like amnesia, you know I always forget.